Hello, I am Anjali Nahar. I have completed 2-year interior designing diploma course from Meridian Academy of Design. I had studied here with fun, grabbed knowledge and amazing experience. It is an institute which not only provides theoretical knowledge but also helps to get practical knowledge and opportunities. I got the best mentor, Mr. Mohit sir. He is very helpful, cooperative and encouraging towards his students. Interior is not just about painting wall and having fancy showpieces. It has to capture the spirit of the owner. That's what will make it a home, not just a house. After my course, I completed 3-month internship from Global Arc Interiors. Thanks Meridian for satisfied quality education with practical knowledge and exposure. I feel so grateful to be a part of Meridian family. Thank you.